In the silence of shattered dreams, I wander alone, lost in a world of sorrow where darkness has grown. Every step feels heavy, every breath a lonely sigh. Yet in the depths of despair, a soft light begins to rise. A whisper in the quiet calls my name so clear, a promise of mercy and love drawing ever near. From despair, His grace brings hope anew, a lifting broken hearts with a love so true. When the night is darkest and my spirit's low, His gentle light guides me, setting my soul aglow. I have tasted bitter pain and known the sting of regret, burdened by the weight of past mistakes I can't forget. But through the veil of tears, a healing warmth appears, a touch of divine compassion that quiets all my fears. In every tear that falls, His promise shines so bright, transforming every sorrow into a beacon of pure light. From despair, His grace brings hope anew, lifting broken hearts with a love so true. When the night is darkest and my spirit's low, His gentle light guides me, setting my soul aglow. Every fall and every failure becomes a part of His design. Every scar a testament that even broken hearts can shine. In the echoes of my struggle, I hear Him softly say, let go of all your burdens, I will show you a new way. His grace rewrites my story, turning mourning into song. In the arms of endless mercy, I finally find where I belong. Now I rise with newfound strength, chains of doubt set free, embracing the dawn of tomorrow with hope and clarity. For even in the darkest night, His love